For those who don't know, what's going to happen is Brad and I are going to do a scene. Throughout that scene, we need sound effects. Justin, this is where you come in. You will do all of my sound effects and my sound effects only. So if I initiate something, you will come up with a sound effect that goes with that. Make sure you're up against the mic at all times so you're ready. You can adjust it if you want. You're a tall guy. And Brad, what are you doing?
I'm out in the back of the house now because these people often have a hard time getting their suggestions heard when we ask for them. So I am going to give this section of the audience the chance to do my sound effects.
That's insane. How will that work?
Well, I will tell you, Colin.
Okay.
I'm going to hand the microphone to this fine gentleman right here, and he will do my first sound effect in the scene. Then he will pass the microphone to the person next to him, who will do my second sound effect. And then she will pass it on, and so on. So each person in the row will do a sound effect, passing it on, and then they'll pass it forward, and they'll zigzag or serpentine through this whole section of the audience for as long as this game goes on. So, a couple words of advice to those of you who might end up doing a sound effect. You guys are just doing my sound effects, not Colin's. Alright? Colin's are being done by the fine man in the plaid, right? Wait, he doesn't have a beard. What the hell happened? Did you shave in the intermission? What's going on? He's wearing plaid. Okay, so you guys are just doing my sound effects. And also, wait till I do something that requires a sound effect. I just say that because if you do a sound effect while we're talking, we might miss your sound effect and then it gets wasted. We wouldn't like that to happen. So wait till I go to hammer something or whatever. And, oh, thank you so much. Okay. When you do a sound effect, hold the microphone really close to your mouth so it can be loud and clear and nicely heard. And last but not least, wherever the microphone ends up at the end of the game, if you could just pass it to the end, the closest row, and if someone would be so kind as to bring it back up to us down there, we would appreciate it because we need it for the rest of the show. So, I'm going to hand you the microphone, and I'll have you do a practice when I get back up there, and then hold on to the mic and do the first one in the scene, okay?
Okay. Just so everyone is on the same page, my sound effects will be done by Dustin, and Dustin alone. Brad's sound effects will be done by the people too cheap to get a good seat.
Ryan Stiles wasn't here.
Whoa! Burn a club. So we'll have a little practice so that we're all feeling good about ourselves. The first person doing Brad's sound effect, and Brad was going to open a very squeaky door. It would sound something like this. All right, Dustin, the bar has been raised. If I was going to open a beer can, such a control freak. If I was going to open a beer can that had been shaken, it would sound something like this.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know how hard it is to find someone in Kentucky who knows that sound. Now that I've got you all hating me. All right, Dustin, why don't you just pick one of these cards? All right. Okay. A European country. Estonia was the first one I heard. And keep in mind, this is a sound effects scene, so, you know, don't call it a day in the library or something, but can we have a title for this scene?
50 Shades of Grey on Ice.
We're not talking about personal fantasies here. The what salesman? The accordion salesman.
Estonia.
One of our best accents.
Hello, Jorgen.
Hello, Tagnar. Another day, another selling of accordions.
It is a beautiful day. The crows are flying.
Go! Go!
Well, one crow.
Yes,
But it is still a beautiful day.
it is. I've been working on something. I know we have all the usual accordions, which are selling quite well.
Yes.
But I have come with an accordion that you don't actually have to play yourself. You just turn it on and it plays itself. Watch. There are a few bugs in it, but
It sounds like a jackass.
yes. So people find that very musical. This accordion, before we sell it, it needs a bit of repair.
Yes, the intake bladder needs to be repaired. I will use some duct tape.
What, a penguin feather? How many times have I told you? Not on the ceiling fan. All right, let's load
Let
up.
me make sure this one is working now that I've taped it.
I realize all our accordions sound like jackasses. That is why I love the banjo. Remember Benny Hill?
I've never heard someone play yakety sax on a left-handed banjo. That was amazing.
Oh, listen. You know, the yodeling championships are being held up on Mount Estonia.
Yes.
So I thought you could sell some of our accordions there.
Not. It is a big musical festival.
Let us go.
There will be glockenspiels.
Nothing better than a glockenspiel accordion duet.
Yes. Surrounded by yodelers.
Yes.
It will be wonderful.
It will. Let us go.
All right.
I've got my suitcase. My suitcase actually makes the noise to know that it is heavy. That way I take more care when I lift it because it makes that sound.
That is the new hernia tourist.
Yes.
Put it in the truck. I will put my tools in the truck. That is your duck.
Yes.
That is your duck in the truck.
You know, it's a lucky duck. Whenever I take him on the sales call, I sell him the accordion. People love ducks, don't they?
Keep him close.
I will. Hey! I've told you not to eat Mexican before we go somewhere.
You should change your shirt before you go.
Luckily I had the floral pattern.
I will start the truck so that we can drive up to the mountain.
Good idea. I think it just swore at us. Let me check the engine. Oh, there's a snake in there.
Oh,
I'll wait till he finishes urinating. All the animals in Estonia have problems with incontinence.
this really is a Shelby Cobra. All right. Let me try again. There we go. I'm glad it's running. I just put new tubes in the tires.
Okay. That is good. Of course, we won't be able to take the car up the mountain.
No, yes, once we get there, we have to
do some
nip it
driving.
away. I put a new horn in
Oh, yeah?
to help with the accordion sales.
Oh. That's amazing. I've never heard anything so beautiful. It's much better than our old one.
That's when he's good when it is foggy.
Yes. We've got a little time before we go to the mountain. Do you mind if I put on a CD?
Put something in.
All right, well, Beatles.
Obladi, oblada, life goes on.
Sounds so much different than I
Life goes on, but the song does not.
Oh, well, we're here already. So. Stop the car.
The brakes were not going to work.
No, I was worried. Get the heavy case.
So, we could take the gondola up to the mountain top, or we could take one of the rental miniature helicopters.
This is the helicopter.
Okay.
It's so nice that they rent them out to people with
Yes.
they have no idea how to use them.
Yes. I can't believe they can get insurance for
I
that.
know. I will just call the tower and tell them that we are taking off.
Yes.
I got IS radio. Tower, this is helicopter 1. We're taking off for a mountain.
Okay.
How does everything look up there?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, you're from out of town, are you not?
Just a bit north.
Huh? All right, well, we're here.
North of Estonia must be cold. It's too cold for an accent.
Yes. Hi.
Peace.
All right, let me switch on all the... I just like to play a little Japanese music. It keeps me to a zen place before I start the actual helicopter. All right, now that I've played some songs, here we go. All right, let me turn on the helicopter.
Maybe it's manual. I've got our duck. He's very strong. Yes. All right. Fly! Fly, you magnificent animal! His wingspan really is going as
It's like a pterodactyl.
That is the best thing I've ever got. All right, lower us down there. There you go. Here, have a snack.
I'm going to get my money back on the helicopter.
Yeah? Oh yeah, the duck did all the work.
No kidding. We could have put ourselves in a basket and let the duck carry us there.
Well, we'll do that next time.
Oh, I love this part of the mountain. You can always hear a beautiful echo if you stand right here. Hello!
Hello, hello, hello.
Yodeling.
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 Yilalee.
Obladi, oblada, life goes on.
Blah, 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 blah.
Everyone knew songs from the Beatles.
It was echoing off Paraphrase Mountain.
Just gonna open my case with my stand. Okay, accordion. 2 accordions.
Say, to get attention from people, why don't we set off a big firework
All right.
to draw their attention?
Good
'Cause
idea.
they're all over there listening to the yodelers.
Oh, good idea.
All right, let me get the fireworks. Put them there. Let me light it. is a fire. We have started a fire. That is not good.
You better warn the people. I don't think they see. They're too intense on the yodeling.
Oh, here. In my bag, I have a megaphone, a bullhorn. I will alert them that there is a fire.
All right.
They should be careful.
Just so you know, hello doesn't warn anyone of anyone. It's just a greeting. If you want to warn someone, you tell them what it is you are warning them about.
I wanted to be polite and
Oh, I see.
work my way into the emergency.
It's a good point.
Look out below.
Hold on.
Look out below, because the fire is right beside you.
First of all, I'm going to turn up the volume on my bullhorn because it is quieter than my own voice.
Yes,
So really it is a muffle horn.
it is.
Volume up. Okay, I'm going to now make an announcement so that all those people that are in peril of the fire will know what to do.
This is how you warn people about fire.
We're all gonna die.
Good words.
The flames are getting so big they're going to set the clouds on fire. We've got to do something.
My duck!
Your duck.
Duck! Calm down. You see the water tower? Go over there and try and get dropped on the fire. All right? Go! Right on! Come back!
What are you feeding?
Crackers. I've waited years for that. You never asked, what do you feed duck? I'm just waiting. Quackers. Surprised I didn't screw it up. It was.
Well, he put out the fire.
Yes.
He has really helped us.
Oh, but everyone is leaving now.
Oh, we must do something to get them here.
Get the accordion. No, they just ran faster.
Your accordion sounds like an ambulance with low self-esteem. Maybe you're playing it wrong. I played accordion for so many years. My father and my father's father and my father's father's mother used to play accordion. And her uncle, too.
It's so hard to make an accordion sound like a flute.
That is why I am so skilled.
I can't believe that did not attract me.
I just played The Devil Went Down to Georgian Russia.
What a horrible day this has been.
Oh, we set fire to a shack. Your duck almost got a hernia.
The duck has been the best thing about this event. He's helped us all the way through. I just say we get drunk.
Get some champagne. Oh, cold duck.
Yes. No, it's not. No, it's just a thing. Yeah, it's a good year. I know usually you sip champagne. I just want to get drunk.
You call that a bird? I will show you a bird, my friend. I was all burping champion in the Estonian National Guard.
That's right. Use that thing where you would burp, then yodel, then make the sound of a water buffalo and a frog making love.
That's what I am known for. I call it burpodal humping. I will chug this champagne.
Yes.
Let out the loudest burp you have ever heard in your lifetime.
Yes, yes.
Followed by the most beautiful yodel.
Alright.
Followed by the sound of a water buffalo and a bullfrog making sweet love.
I have $100 says you don't get past the burp.
Here I go. Chug, burp, yodel, bullfrog with the buffalo. I'm doing the next time.
Alright.
Here I go. The key is to make it quiet.
Yes.
Burp.
You're right.
Easiest $100 I got